You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
You own valuable, fragile, or complex items, and you need them to arrive safely. You can't afford to gamble with your memories or investments. Here's the SDC advantage. Motorcycle shipping. We know India's vehicle import laws. Our specialists prepare your bike for customs and ensure it meets Euro 2 compliance and kilometer speedometers. Pet relocation. We work with international pet transport that is stress-free and fully compliant with Indian regulations. Piano transport. Grand or your upright, your piano will be custom created, protected from climate change, and tuned upon arrival if requested. Arts and antiques. High-value collectibles are handled with climate-controlled crating and documentation support for customs. Choosing air versus sea freight. Air freight. This is ideal for fragile, urgent, or limited volume shipments. Sea freight, which is best for comprehensive household moves, with options like FCL, which is exclusive, or LCL, which is shared. Here are some added benefits. You can receive professional inventory preparation, climate-controlled storage, and real-time tracking and communication. Learn more about shipping containers or compare air versus sea freight to find your ideal solution at our website. Call 877-339-0267 or visit us today to make your move to India effortless.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.